Hello everyone, welcome to the basics of psychology, where we will look into motivation and anxiety. There are two main types of motivation. There is external motivation and internal motivation. External motivation can promote learning and encourage prioritizing. This means that something from the outside, such as the environment, is motivating a student into doing well in a certain task. Internal motivation is a desire to master something, and the student is less concerned about what others think. This is something that the student wants to learn and do because they are really interested in the topic. They're not expecting an award or doing it because someone in particular is watching. From an educational perspective, what is desirable is internal motivation and the desire of students to master something. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a description of the needs that motivate human behavior. The most basic is survival, and it's at the bottom of the hierarchy, which means that it should be met first before moving on to physiological needs such as food and shelter, or to the needs related to safety. A deficiency need are the psychological needs such as esteem needs, belongingness, and love needs, in general the basic needs. A growth need is the self-fulfillment need, in this case the very top of the hierarchy, self-actualization. Many individuals are unable to reach self-actualization because they keep going back down on the categories or just can't surpass or fulfill them. For example, if a child does not feel like he has many friends or that he has a place to be in his school, he cannot experience self-actualization. This is so because he hasn't filled the belonging category, which means that his safety needs and physiological needs have not been met yet. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a feeling of uneasiness and apprehension about a situation, particularly one with an uncertain outcome. There is state anxiety, which is a temporary condition, and there is a trait anxiety, which is a relatively stable sense of tension. In the image above, it is shown how facilitating anxiety develops best performance, optimal zone, moderate, optimal arousal. On the other hand, debilitating anxiety results in poor performance, causing stress, panic, anger, fear, and stress. In order to reach self-fulfillment in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, all the previous categories need to be met. You can't jump from one category to the other. They need to be in order. There are two types of motivation, which we talked about, internal and external motivation. And remember that anxiety can be good for learning, but too much drains the body. Thanks for watching.